In this video, we'll learn how to make basil pesto sauce from scratch. Let's get started! Hi guys, welcome to my channel. Hope everyone is keeping well. In this video, let's prepare our ingredients for the basil pesto sauce to use with a pasta dish. To make our dish, we'll need 300 grams of pasta, 2 cups of basil leaves, 1 cup of baby spinach, half a cup of grated Parmesan cheese, half a cup of olive oil, 1/3 cup of pine nuts, 2 cloves of garlic, salt, pepper. Bring a pot of water to a complete boil. Add 2 teaspoons of salt and 1 tablespoon of olive oil into the boiling water. Add your pasta and cook it for 2 to 3 minutes. Once the pasta is cooked, drain the water and keep the pasta aside. Bring out your food processor. Add your basil, baby spinach and pine nuts and pulse several times. Occasionally, stop to scrape down the sides. Add the garlic and the Parmesan cheese. Add 1/4 teaspoon of salt and 1/4 teaspoon of pepper and pulse a few times more. While the food processor is running, slowly add the olive oil. Once the basil pesto sauce is ready, scoop it out into a bowl. Mix the sauce with your pasta. Once you plate your pasta, garnish the dish with Parmesan cheese and basil leaves. And that's our dish. Bon appetit! Thanks for watching y'all. If you like this video, please hit the like button and consider subscribing. You will find the recipe listed in the description below. See you soon!